Today is the 1st of June. It's a Monday and I'm hardly ever excited about a Monday, but today is different. I saw this meme on Friday that was very funny to me. It says, "This is the first time in history that it's a Friday, but people can't wait for Monday morning." In South Africa they had a liquor ban, and from this morning the liquor ban will be lifted. Now, I'm not in South Africa and I'm not very excited about the liquor ban, but here in Siargao there was a surf ban, and today is the first day we can go surfing. The spot where I'm staying close to works best at high tide, and high tide is about 20 past 2 today. So this morning I'm just gonna chill out and maybe edit some photos and share a little bit with you. So I'm a very big coffee fan, and the coffee selection on the island is not so great, but they have a wide variety. So at the moment I'm drinking this Nescafe original phase. You get like a honey Nescafe and a white Nescafe, but this one seems to be the strongest of the Nescafes. You also get a coffee called Copico, which is a local brand coffee. Drank it for a few weeks, but then I got a little bit tired of the taste. It's a lot stronger than Nescafe, but I'm just a little bit tired of the aftertaste. And then I've also been trying out this Great Taste coffee. It has a really rich taste to it and it's very smooth. What I kind of want to do is mix the Nescafe coffee with the Great Taste coffee. That would be kind of interesting. Something else I forgot to mention, we are now allowed to move freely without having to have a travel pass. I had this quarantine pass which will allow you through checkpoints in town, but you required a travel pass to go to, let's say, the north or to a different island. So from today onwards, we don't need that. So now I can go back north, which I will be doing very soon. Okay, so I see the weather is clearing up nicely. It's gonna be a good day to go surfing. I was actually thinking today I might challenge myself by shooting this vlog and editing it within the same day. So I know this card feature, like the poll, the feature that comes up over here. I know the poll feature is going to be taken away by 10th of June. 10 days from today, this probably won't work anymore. But I was thinking of asking you, what would you like? More frequent videos, less quality, or high quality videos but less frequent? I will put the poll right over here. If you're watching this video after 10 June, it probably won't be there. Then you can always just comment your opinion in the comments. I'm now gonna eat some cereal, then I need to call immigration. So I've already overstayed more than a month, but the Bureau of Immigration announced that we get 30 days after the enhanced quarantine has lifted. Because we were on general community quarantine and from today we are on modified community quarantine. But I phoned last week and they said they're not extending yet. So I need to phone them every week until they can tell me when they will be extending visas again. Okay, so they are open again. I will need to go extend my visa sometime this week, so there's that. Okay, I'm heading to the beach now. It's just past 2 and the wave should be good. Cue the music. Okay, I got him out. That was a pretty decent surf. And guess what? No one came within 3 meters of me, so I'm pretty sure I didn't get the corona. It wasn't really big, but it's kind of good because I felt very rusty for not surfing for a while. So I think it was a good day and a good day to get back at it. This is really like a dream come true, man. I'm stranded on this island with awesome waves and most people has already left the island. This is like a once in a lifetime opportunity. I guess I'm gonna end that video here. Hit that like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Then guess I'll see you tomorrow, bro.